I'm Carmion Hamilton, and I am teaming up with Tastemade and the Home Depot to revamp this room and make it pop. These new homeowners want to infuse just a little bit more color into this space, and I'm here to help. Time to go vibrant. An easy way to bring personality to a space is to add color. The Home Depot has everything you need, from sofas to rugs and even artwork. And the best part, they deliver straight to your door. Let's start fresh. Adding bold, colorful wallpaper will totally change the vibe of this room. These hub space blinds are remote control operated and look so chic. Window treatments give a finished feel. Rugs are essential to helping a space feel cozy. This sofa is gorgeous. It adds the perfect pop of color and it looks stunning. Let's keep going. For unique style, bring in different colors and textures, like this coffee table. Try different art that resonates with you. Pillows are a great way to add pops of color and pull the entire design together. Incorporating plants are a must in my designs. This design refresh turned out amazing. If you're inspired for your own refresh, start at the Home Depot.